Vendor evaluation. Know where your motors are going. You buy a $50,000 pickup truck, you're going to take it back to the dealership that's clean, that's shiny, that's got all the equipment to repair that truck. People will spend hundreds of thousands of dollars for a motor and send it to a repair shop that they've never ever been to. The guy comes in with a shiny line card and a dozen donuts every Friday. You've never been to his shop. You don't know if he's got the equipment to test it. You don't know if he can lift it. You've never been there. So either you yourself qualify that vendor, or we can go out and help you qualify vendors. One of our largest equipment management customers, steel manufacturer, came to us and they said, we're using, I think it was 14 vendors at the time. We want to narrow it down. With our agreement with them, we went and qualified the vendors that they were using. Now, we didn't necessarily kick vendors out, but if the guy's limits are 200 horsepower, why are you sending him a 5,000 horsepower motor? I've been in this industry for a long time, and I hear these horror stories of, yeah, I sent this 5,000 horse to Bill, and you know, it was so big, he had to tear it down in his parking lot with a forklift to get the parts inside his building. First of all, it's unsafe as hell. Second of all, he's going to drop your motor. So know where your motors are going. Make sure they're going to the right place, and make sure the people can fix what you've got. If the guy doesn't have a medium voltage test panel, why are you sending your motor to him?